Hi, my name is Vina Istiana. I'm 5 semester student studying English education at Muhammadiyah Bogoraya University. In this video, I will explain an article entitled Animated Cartoons to Develop Listening Skill and Vocabulary. Overview of the article. This article investigates the impact of using energized cartoons, animated cartoons in developing listening skill and expanding vocabulary. The research focused on 10 Form 1 students with abilities and a strong influence of their mother tongue, first language. The ultimate goal is to help students master English by using enjoyable learning media. Keywords 1. Animated cartoons. ICT media used to provide authentic language input to develop listening skill and vocabulary. 2. Listening skill. An important skill that acts as a platform for language acquisition and aids overall language mastery. 3. Vocabulary. The core content of English language teaching, limited vocabulary, hinders successful acquisition and communication. And 4. Low proficiency. A category of students who are weak in English and have limited abilities due to lack of exposure. And the last is mother tongue, the dominant first language of students, which often hinders the acquisition of English second language. Explanation of difficult words. The first language that students are fluent which often hinders their acquisition of English. Low proficient students. Category of students who have difficulty mastering English and have poor communication skills. Vocabulary acquisition. The process of acquiring vocabulary, which is an important indicator in language learning. Explanation of difficult words. 1. Extensive listening. An intensive listening practice using material that is easy to understand and enjoyable. Authentic language input. Real language material such as animated cartoons that motivates learner to connect the content to real life. Facilitator. A new role for teachers, shifting from being the sole provider of content to someone who provides a platform and digital resources. Background on the problem. Despite the country's hopes, many students are still classified as low proficients. A lack of vocabulary is one of the main concerns, causing students to fall short of the required language standards. The rural or semi-urban environment does not support exposure to English. Students start school with a language they do not fully understand. Literature review, the importance of listening skills. Listening is a fundamental skill and vital part of oral communication. Listening provides oral input that becomes the platform for language acquisition. Listening skill help learners master pronunciation, word stress, vocabulary, and grammar. Literature review, the role of animated cartoons ICT. The use of ICT, animated cartoons or YouTube, provides opportunities for innovative learning and benefits low ability students. Animated cartoons are an authentic and effective resource of broad media material to aid language learning. The visualization, image, sound, colors, action in cartoons help shape understanding and facilitates information retention. Research methodology responded. 10 Form 1 students who fight their monthly exams from the semi-urban area of Ghaziabad, India. Environment, strong dominance of Hindi first language, English is considered a useless foreign language in their community. Data collection, pretest and post-test, measuring vocabulary and questionnaire, survey measuring preference were conducted. Analysis, descriptive statistic, graphic measurements were used. Research result, quantitative. The use of animated cartoons via YouTube had a positive impact on improving listening skill and vocabulary. Students show a significant improvement in their post-test scores compared to the pre-test. The percentage increase range for 40 to 80% across the respondent students were able to gain understanding of the target vocabulary using their listening skill. Research result, questionnaire and implications. All respondents show positive response to learning English using animated cartoons. Implication for students. Students become more independent, controlling their own learning pace, which result in more successful outcomes. Implication for teachers. The role of teachers shift to that of facilitators, providing digital platforms and research to maximize the engagement of low ability students. Why choose this article? The article discussed the main problem: low English proficiency, second language in India due to the strong influence of the mother tongue first language and lack of exposure. It offers an innovative technology-based ICT solution. The use of animated cartoons via YouTube. It focuses on the group most in need, low proficient students. The results show a positive and quantitative impact, increase in pre-test and post-test scores. What is interesting about this article? The use of YouTube and Chromebooks as relevant learning tools. Increase motivation. Entertaining animated cartoons increase the motivation of low proficient students. Granting learning autonomy, students can control their own learning pace, an essential finding for low proficient students. Conclusion, the result of this study clearly show that animated cartoons via YouTube help low ability students improve their vocabulary and listening skills. ICT integration is an important tool in improving the capacity and ability of low abilities students in English. The use of technology attracts and motivates low ability students in the learning process.